Hey, did you see the picture I sent you WhatsApp last night? Yes, I know the dress is beautiful. So I was wondering to get it done for me. What do you think? Hey, let's go for shopping tomorrow. No, yeah, you have to come. Online? I am not going to shop fabrics online. You know I am not comfortable. You know I need assurance. My name is Anubha Khandelwal and I am here to give you assurance. I am here to talk about 5 mistakes which you can avoid when buying fabrics online. While browsing through beautiful printed fabrics, it's very natural to fall in love with them. And it's very natural to buy all the fabrics very impulsively. But when they come, we only get dissatisfied that the motifs are way too smaller than you thought it to be. So when you scroll through websites and choose fabrics for you, make sure you check scale differences like this in the picture. It helps you know the size of motifs and you are not deceived of your imaginations of the size of the motifs. We all have burnt our garments while ironing our clothes at wrong temperature. I am guilty about it, but I know you are too. Also, one another thing, while washing clothes, we see that our clothes starts to bleed and we doubt that did we purchase something of bad or low quality? But that's not the case always. Even fabrics from very good quality starts to bleed and we wonder that why it is happening. And then we contact the brand again and then we get to know, oh, so it is the property of the fabric and crafts itself. So there are like different kinds of fabric and different kinds of crafts done on it. And each has its own property. Just like indigo. Indigo has a property of bleeding its blue color. That's its identity. Some hand block crafts which are done from natural colors leaves its colors in first or second wash, and that is its property, and all of it is mentioned in the description of the websites when you purchase the fabrics online. So make sure whenever you fall in love with fabrics online, make sure to read wash and care instructions for 2 reasons: so that you don't burn your clothes and so that you don't bleed your clothes. So there's my friend who is studying fashion in London calls me up a week ago and was sounding very sad. I asked her what happened. So she said, hey, I ordered a fabric from India, but what happened is her shipping costed more than the fabric itself. You know what I did? I just laughed. I said, these are some things which are mentioned in the websites itself so that you can make your decisions accordingly. So this is my friend who got stuck in this situation and was sad, which she could have avoided very easily. So now you don't want to do the blunder which my friend did. So when you order something from abroad, just check the shipping prices so that you know if you want to order that or not. So if you're ordering from the same country and if you're someone who prefers cash on delivery, make sure to check your PIN code availability of COD in your area. And that's it. You're sorted for life. So let's say you decided to make pants for yourself. You go to an online store, scrolls through 100 of fabrics. Finally, after 2-3 days, you are finally able to choose one perfect design for your pants. Now you order it and now you wait to get it delivered to your doorstep. And when it delivers to your doorsteps and it is in your hands, you are only disappointed because the fabric is not stiff as you thought it to be. So now what? Here, checking the weight comes in the picture. Lesser the weight, the fabric gets more flowy, like organza, chiffon, which is generally more suitable for skirts, anarkali suits and similar kind of garments. Higher the weight, the fabric gets more stiffer and sturdy, which is more suitable for pants, jackets and garments similar to it. It's the most important thing. So when we see something on the screen and then when we have actual product in our hand, it's very natural to have your opinion changed about it. And there may be several reasons. You maybe want to return the product. And when you call the company up or when you check the website, you find it that there is no return policy. Or even if it's there, it's a little too complicated. They do exchange, but they don't return. They do return, but they don't exchange. There are ample of terms and conditions which are different from company to company. So even before choosing the fabric, when you're on the store itself, first check the return and exchange policy and see that does it comply to your convenience. If yes, then go ahead. And if no, then contemplate. This will help you to not get stuck with the fabric which you don't want to use it ever. So be smart. So these are some important things which I think you should check when buying fabrics online. And I'm sure if you are someone who is buying fabrics online for long now, you must have resonated from one of the pointers which I said. Also, I'm curious to know that what else do you make sure to check always when you buy fabrics online. See you next time. Also, if you are someone who loves to DIY, or just someone plain who loves to create things from fabric, and you have no place to showcase your work, you do things for yourself, but those remain in walls of your home. So we have created a platform for you where you can just come, find a fellow creators like you who like to share ideas, present their creations, talk, go live, make videos, and a lot more things. But where do we do this all? We do here on our Facebook group. So join our DIY and sewing Facebook group and be a part of Fab community. See you next time.